The most anticipated AI gadgets are finally here. We're talking about everything from human-sized holograms to AI that can summarize your meetings in seconds. But one of these devices points to a future so complex, it made us stop and think. So stick around to see what's really coming. The future filled with ambient intelligence and smart devices that truly understand us? It's not a distant dream anymore. It's starting to arrive. We gotta look at some of the most hyped, most futuristic AI gadgets of 2025. And while most of them are incredible, one of them left us with some serious questions. Let's get into it. The communication revolution. First up, a problem we all know. Remote communication still feels remote. Video calls are flat, and you never quite feel like you're in the same room. What if you could change that? This is the Holobox. It's a device that projects a life-size 4K hologram of a person, either live or pre-recorded. Now, while this technology is mainly geared towards businesses for events and conferences right now, it offers a glimpse into a future where you could have a meeting or a lecture and feel like the person is physically standing right there. It's a huge leap forward, aiming to make remote presence finally feel real. The Universal Translator. What about talking to people who don't speak your language? The future has an answer for that, too. Next up is the Time Kettle X1 Interpreter Hub. Language barriers have always been a challenge for travelers and global businesses. The X1 Hub is a pocket-sized device designed to provide two-way translation in over 40 languages. You can share an earbud for a one-on-one conversation, or you can link multiple hubs for a group meeting of up to 20 people speaking 5 different languages. While there can be a slight delay, especially with longer sentences, the AI processes speech impressively fast. It's the closest thing many have seen to a real-life universal translator. The smartest home helper. Many of us like the idea of a smart home, but juggling dozens of apps can be a pain. What if you had a central brain for your home? Meet Samsung's Bally. First shown as a concept years ago, Bally is an AI-powered robot designed to be your friendly home companion, with a release planned for 2025. It connects to your other smart devices, so it can do things like control lights and thermostats. But it also has a built-in projector, so it can roll around and display movies, video calls, or updates on a wall or floor. It's like a smart hub and a projector rolled into one little robot that patrols your house. The productivity powerhouse. Next, here's a gadget for anyone who's ever sat through a long meeting. The problem? Taking notes is a drag, and it's easy to miss something important. The solution might be the HiDoc P1. This isn't just another voice recorder. The HiDoc P1 is designed to work directly with your Bluetooth earphones, allowing you to record calls or meetings from many platforms. The real magic is in the AI. It transcribes the conversation, can identify different speakers, and then generates a concise summary with action items. It's a tool that basically gives you productivity superpowers, turning hours of conversation into a few key bullet points. All right, we've seen gadgets that change how we communicate, work, and live at home. But this last one is different. On the surface, it's designed to improve your mental wellness. This is the Mind Smart Mirror. It's pitched as your personal wellness coach, using features like light therapy and guided meditations to help you manage stress. But it's the technology underneath that made us pause. The BeMind Mirror uses computer vision and natural language processing to analyze your facial expressions, gestures, and tone of voice to gauge your mood. If you say you're having a bad day, it might respond with encouraging words or suggest a mindfulness exercise. And while this mirror is focused on wellness, it highlights a much bigger trend: the rise of emotion AI. Systems are being developed right now that are designed to interpret human feelings with increasing accuracy. While the BeMind Mirror aims to help you, it makes you wonder about the future. What happens when our devices don't just hear our words, but try to analyze the emotions behind them? We weren't just looking at a wellness gadget. We were looking at a technology that raises some serious questions about privacy and the future of human-computer interaction. So there you have it. From holographic calls that feel more present to a little robot that runs your house, the future is definitely getting interesting. But as we've seen, it's also a future that's more complex than we might have imagined. These gadgets aren't just tools anymore. They are becoming intelligent companions that are changing how we interact with technology and each other. What do you think? Is an AI that can analyze your mood a helpful tool or a step too far? Which one of these gadgets blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more insane tech from the future, make sure you're subscribed. You won't want to miss what we have coming next.